Nausea, belching, and occur associated with other disorders. When they occur alone, when they do not meet criteria for dyspepsia, blah, blah, blah. Non-ulcer, dyspepsia defined 3 month history of non-specific abnormal discomfort. Okay, many patients with chronic upper abdominal, the guys upper abdominal pain or discomfort kita, meaning balda, pati si sulok-sulok ni kay upper abdominal pain, of course. Many patients with chronic upper abdominal discomfort or pain complain primarily of heartburn. Anong heartburn? Sakit, sulok-sulok, acid reflux, or regurgitation na regurgitate ang mga ginapangaon, gasaka ang acid. Amo na, in short, nagasaka ang acid. Upper abdominal pain or discomfort. If patients report these symptoms more than once a week, they are likely to have GERD. 90%. 90% gid sa mga patient guys nga gareklamo nga may heartburn ako, may acid reflux, or regurgitation, guys. May GERD sila. Ano ang GERD? Gastroesophageal reflux disease. Gastro sa tiyan, esophageal, esophagus, diri, lapit diri sa lungs, or sa tunga, esophagus, diri. Gastroesophageal reflux. Reflux, naga-reflux, nagabalik ang acid, acid reflux, disease. Disease, gastroesophageal reflux disease. Amo nang ginambal nila nga heartburn or acid reflux nga aga heartburn tingki 'di ba sulok-sulok siya. Guys, ang apex ng heart 'di ba mo na ang ngamba ko ng apex ang babalo sang heart diri na dampi sa tunga, diri sa esophagus, diri ano gyud term nalipat ko kung diin nga sa nga position. Basta diri sa tunga, tikon magsaka ang acid gakaigo si heart. So amo na itawag nga heartburn, init na do ka gakasunog, sakit ang sulok-sulok. So amo na GERD 90% heartburn, are na heartburn ay gin-explain ko na pero sige explain niya sa English is a rising retrosternal burning pain or discomfort occurring weekly or more often. It is typically aggravated by food such as alcohol, 'di ba? Chocolate, citrus fruits, coffee na sa mga friends yun na nga pala kape, guys, permi na gina heartburn. Pawala lang na sila, kwaon na sila dugay-dugay. Onions and peppermint or positions like bending over, exercising, lifting or lying, supine usually mga palahigda na bla tapos makape, mahigda. Di syempre masaka gilang na ma-reflux na siya, guys. So muna sting pagid na soft drinks na sila na. Okay, some patients with GERD have a typical respiratory symptoms such as cough, wheezing, observation, pneumonia, blah, blah, blah. Okay, some patients may have alarm symptoms. Anong alarm symptoms yan na? Una, guys, budlayan siya tulon, dysphagia. Kadua, may sakit magtulon o dinophagia. Recurrent vomiting, kasuka-suka, evidence of gastrointestinal bleeding. Suka nga may dugo. Weight loss, anemia, risk factors of gastric cancer. Na. Okay, gina sa babaw, upper, subong sa lower, acute or chronic lower abdominal pain or discomfort. Sobra na kita 15. Cut ko na lang karon. Okay, acute or lower abdominal pain. Acute patients may complain of acute pain localized to the right lower quadrant. Find out if it is sharp and continuous or intermittent and cramping, causing them to double over. Okay, sa chronic, yeah, it is if there is a chronic pain in the quadrants of the lower abdomen, ask about the change in bowel habits and alternating diarrhea and constipation. Guys, anong kinalain ni acute kag ni chronic? Si acute, dasig lang. Okay? Si chronic, dugay. So, muna kung acute, guys, mangkoton kung ano ang sakit. Okay? Sharp or continuous, intermittent, cramping, etc. Kung sa chronic na, guys, kay dugay na, mangkoton mo na siya ano ang mga bowel habits ya, ang mga muson niya bla, kag constipated siya. Amo na siya. Okay? So, usually, ang mga symptoms, are, nausea, hematemesis, gasuka, dugo. Of course, kito syempre gabalda mo nga GI. So, ibalik mo siya, reflux, dala suka, may dala nga dugo. Okay? Anorexia, wala kakaon, anorexic. Food fear, sino kakakulbaan sa pagkaon. Dysphagia, budlayan, magkaon, budlayan, tulon, sorry. Odinophagia, sakit magtulon, ginambalta na bag-o lang. Change in bowel function, naman na sa chronic. Jaundice, nagayelo. Diarrhea and constipation. Jaundice, nagayelo. Muna ba ako sa una, palanggina, balda, si liver. Okay? The renal system. Renal system, ihi naman kita. Suprapubic pain, ginama ko na ganyan, suprapubic pain sa babaw sang pubis nga sakit. Bladder disorders may cause suprapubic pain in bladder infection. Pain in the lower abdomen is typically dull and pressure-like. In sudden overdistension of the bladder pain, is often agonizing. Of course, sakit. Ganaya guys, kung mag-ihi kita, kapin pa kung magbuhin kita sang ano sa bladder na to, mag-ihi, sakit. Gina in contrast, chronic bladder retention is usually painless. Okay, dysuria, urgency, and frequency. Dysuria, pain and urination, burning sensation, pain during urination, difficulty of voiding, budlayan ihi, kasi syempre sakit, okay? Urgency is an unusual, intense, and immediate desire to void, sometimes leading to involuntary voiding or urge continence. Frequency, abnormally frequent voiding. Frequency, per lang ka pangihi. Urgency is though may feeling of though ano ni unusual intense nga dumangihi kabla dayon masking gamay lang ang ano sa kidneys or sa bladder, gulpi lang ihi mo siya dayon kay may urgency gani, okay? Urgent. Polyuria and nocturia. Polyuria refers to significant increase in 24-hour urine volume, roughly defined as exceeding 3 liters. Polyuria, damo ihi. Polyuria, damo ihi. Polyuria, damo ihi. Nocturia, gabi, refers to urinary frequency at night, sometimes defined as awakening the patient more than once. Okay? Urinary incontinence, an involuntary loss of urine that may become socially embarrassing or cause problems with hygiene. Nga, incontinence, guys, hindi mo makontrol ang imo ihi. An involuntary loss of urine that may become socially embarrassing or cause problems with hygiene. Continence. Hematuria, guys, hematuria, namba ko na blood, urea, urine. So, blood in the urine. Very good. Hematuria. Gross hematuria, blood in the urine is visible to the naked eye. Magamakta gross hematuria, guys. Kitaon, gid, mag-i si patient nga may dugo. May appear frankly bloody. Anong frankly bloody? Franks. Franks nga bird joke. Frankly bloody. Kitaon gid guys nga may dugo gid bla amo gid na iya gross hematuria. Si microscopic hematuria ya, by the word itself, microscope, hindi makita. For example, wala gid man ihi ang dugo, pero kung i-check na siya, sa microscopic urinalysis, kung urinalysis na siya, may dugo. So that's why it's called microscopic hematuria. Kidney or flank pain and ureteral colic. Kidney is often reported as flank pain. Ang flank diri naton is a visceral pain, magamata visceral sa sulod gid, di ba namba ko nagina. Pain usually produced by distension of the renal capsule, typically dull, aching, and steady. Ureteral pain is ureters. Ano ganing ureters? Ang cord, wow, ang cord. Ang higot, wow, ang higot. Ano yung term? Basta ang cord lang ang nag-ano sa, ari na lang oh. Sa kidneys bala guys, ari. Ureter. Ara. Ara blahu. Abi na gid kamuya way nagamuya kakita sang ureter. Ara blahu, ang higot bla. Na mo na ureter ah. Ureteral pain, may pain dala. Okay, it is usually severe and colicky, originating at the costovertebral angle and radiating around the trunk into the lower quadrant of the abdomen. Guys, ano ang colicky? Maganda colicky, masakit siya, tapos gulpi madula lang. Okay, colicky. Physical examination, guys, IAPP, mag-physical examination kita sa abdomen, IAPP. Lagyan ta na 'di ba sang first to, 'di ba ang iban IPA, IPPA, si abdomen, IAPP siya. Okay, so inspection, auscultation, percussion, and palpation. Inspection, lang taon naton. First, the skin assessment, basi may scars, may striae, dilated veins, rashes, lesions, ecchymosis. The umbilicus, ang pusod. The contour of the abdomen, increased peristaltic wave, increased pulsations. Okay, auscultation, mag-auscultate, paano ganun mag-auscultate? Gagamit sang headset. Gagamit sang, ano ganing term atin, nalipat na ko. Ara na. Mag-auscultate, gagamit sang stet. Ara na gali. Ay, bot. Na-explain ko naman gina, si stet. Tatong lang may bell kag mag-diaphragm sa past video. Uy, way kadaglantas sa past video gina. Charot na history. Okay. Auscultate, gagamit kita sang stat. Auscultation provides important information about bowel motility. Bowel motility, movement. Bowel movement, motility, movement. Okay? Motile. Okay, mo lang na. Listen to the abdomen before performing percussion or palpation because these maneuvers may alter the frequency of bowel sounds. Nga una si auscultation, gin-explain niya na bag-ulang. Mamati ka mo anay. Kay nga pagpamati mo, at least dira mo mabatian kung ano gid ang normal sang bowel sounds sang tiyan. Kay nga kung una sa percussion, i-percuss mo to dayon base sabad or tawag ni mag maglain pa bala ang sound ya. So abdominal fluids, friction rubs, okay. Percussion, palpation, percuss, amo ni tympani and dullness nga ginaamo na ang chan, right upper, okay, left upper, left lower, amo na kay nga guys, gina-check kung butod gid man charot. Amo na kung puno siya sang fluid, solid siya. Okay? Aram na, ginhiligay nung ko lang ang balyaw. Percussion helps you to assess the amount and distribution of gas, butod, in the abdomen and to identify possible masses that are solid or fluid filled. Butod gyapon. Percuss the abdomen lightly. Lightly, guys, hindi nga daw kusog-kusog. Kay may kaakig ka. Percuss the abdomen lightly in all four quadrants. Ginama ko na ginang four quadrants. RUQ, LUQ. Okay? Assess the distribution of tympani and dullness. Palpation, sa palpation, magikap-ikap kita, maga muna, hapat-amat lang, hinay-hinay lang. Okay? Kay basi, may matumbo ka da karon. Nan. Feeling the abdomen gently is especially helpful for identifying abdominal tenderness, muscular resistance, and some superficial organs and masses. Deep palpation. This is usually required to delineate abdominal masses. Okay? Deep palpation, dalom gid. Kasi may mga bukol-bukol to sa chan. So, muna, si deep palpation ginagamit. Okay, sa liver na kita. Yay! Liver. Percussion, measure the vertical span of liver, dullness, and right mid-clavicular line. Okay, diin anay si liver. Basta hindi ka makatultol diin si liver, ara sa babaw sang agtang. Joke lang. Si liver, guys, ari di siya sa dalom lang sa diaphragm. Ari di sa tunga. Sa right siya dampi. Upper right quadrant. Okay? Locate the mid-clavicular line to avoid inaccurate measurement of from use of a wandering landmark. Okay? Identify the upper border, liver dullness, with liver line. Now measure in centimeters distance between 2 points vertical span of liver dullness. Okay, left kidney and right kidney. Guys, di inang ginabaligya sa ila duwa, wala gid. Okay, hindi pagbaligya kay mahal ina. Left kidney palpation, move the patient's left side, place your right hand between the patient just below the parallel to the 12th rib. 12th rib, bala niya na guys 12th rib sa dalam-dalam with your fingertips just reaching the crossover 12 angle to capture the right kidney. Sa right kidney, return to the patient's right side, of course, kay right naman. Use your left hand to lift from in the back and your right hand to feel the deep and the left upper quadrant. So, diri siya. Left upper quadrant. Proceed as before. Same lang man. Okay. Percussion, you may note tenderness when examining the abdomen but also search for it at each costovertebral angle. Pressure from fingertips may enough to elicit tenderness, blah, blah, blah. Okay, percuss. Place the ball of one hand in the costovertebral angle and strike it with ulnar surface of your fist. Use enough force to cause a perceptible but painless jar or thud in a normal person.